Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for today's video. I feel like I say that every single time I film, but who cares? I'm always excited because I like to film videos, and whenever I get the chance to film, I do it. So today I'm going to be filming a video of me showing you guys what I got from Ulta, and that's pretty much what I'm going to be doing today. So if you guys want to see everything that I got from Ulta, then let's just jump right into it. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys what I got. So I'm gonna be doing. Okay, first thing that I got that I was super interested in is this Dose of Colors Infusion Soulmate highlighter. Oh my gosh. Okay, so they have like two highlighters and I swatched and I was like, hey, I need some of that highlight in my life. Super cute packaging. I'm just like obsessed with this packaging. It's so pretty. The highlight looks a little bit dark, but when you swatch it, it's very, very light and I like the color. This is in the shade Soulmate. I think I already said it, but it's like their, I can't even read that, that like cursive writing that they have right there. So we're just gonna call it the shade Soulmate highlighter. It says on here that it's vegan, cruelty-free, talc-free, paraben-free, gluten-free, and something else free. So it's pretty free from a lot of things. Should be a good product to use. Packaging feels a little bit more cheap, but it was, let's see, how much was this? It was Dose of Color. It was expensive. Holy crap, it really was expensive. $28. So guys, this is really good. Like when I swatched it, I was like, oh my gosh, this is freaking beautiful. And I've always wanted something from Dose of Color. I really wanted their liquid lip, but they didn't have the shade that I wanted. So I just settled for this. And this one was the prettiest one that I saw. So I'm really excited to try it out. Okay, so the next thing that I got that I'm seriously dying to try, and I have been absolutely obsessed with this product. And I've always watched so many people making videos about this and they always are using it. And just all of that is this Nars Laguna bronzer. I know this is just so old and everybody's gonna be like, girl, you need to get with times because the Laguna bronzer has been out for forever. Well, guess what? Your girl is freaking poor and she finally got to splurge today and get a few things that she really, really liked. So, well, I don't know if I like it, but I know for a fact that I wanted it. It's like wrapped all nice and I haven't even opened this. It was $38 because I got $1.75 off because I had points. So yes, I've been obsessed with this bronzer for as long as I can remember and it's just so beautiful, and I always hear that it's like the best bronzer shade. So there you have it, Nars Laguna bronzer. I'm gonna have to make a video of me using all these products, but I'm so excited for this one. Okay, here's another product that my sister-in-law told me to try. I have tried it before, but I honestly don't remember. And I don't know if you guys have seen like my Instagram, like, what are they called? My stories or whatever. I put on there if people wanted to see me do like a Foundation Friday video. For the majority, most people said that they wanted me to do a Foundation Friday. So I decided why not kick it off with one that my sister-in-law recommended to me. This is her favorite foundation. This is the Bare Minerals Bare Pro. It's their performance wear liquid foundation. It's supposed to be really good. It looked like they had really good reviews online. I got the shade Pecan, 18 Pecan, I don't know. So I got that one. I actually had them like test the shade on my face, so it should be good. So I'm not gonna look like a complete idiot when I test it out on Friday, but I'm excited to try it out. I mean, I've worn it once or twice before. Can't find it for some reason. I swear I've purchased it, but I want to just do a wear test and see how well it wears throughout the day and show you guys what I think about it. So this is going to be my first foundation on Friday. So stay tuned for that video. We'll tell you guys what I think about this Bare Minerals Bare Pro foundation. So the next thing that I'm excited to try out is this Urban Decay All Nighter Long Lasting Makeup Setting Spray. I'm excited because, guys, I'm one of those people that if I like a product, I just stick with it. So the Marc Bedescu or whatever I always use setting spray is like my ride or die setting spray. But today I was like, I'm gonna try something else. So I got a smaller one. I think it was like $15 for this guy. How much was it? Did I tell you guys how much the Bare Minerals foundation was, I don't think I did, but it was $32 because I got $1.49 off with my points. This is $14, $15 really, but I got it for $14. I just got the small one just because I always use the Mario Badescu, not Mark Badescu. I always use that one, but I wanted this just for like when I do my makeup like all fancied out. And it smells kind of like my son's baby wipes. But I wanted to try it. Everybody talks about how amazing it is. It's long lasting. So I'm going to give it a go. And if I like it, maybe I'll buy the big one. I don't know. I just decided today, why not try something new? Okay, the last thing that I got from my little haul is this Buxom full-on lip cream. Guys, I am like a huge advocate for Buxom lip glosses. They're so beautiful. They last for forever. And they feel so good. They're not crazy sticky. They're thick, super thick, but they're not like sticky at all. They just feel so good. And this is the lip plumper. I don't know if you guys like that feeling, but I like the feeling of like tingling lips, and I feel like this works. Normally, how much are they? Okay. They are $20, but I got it for $19.12. I love wearing these, guys. I just wish that I could just be sponsored and get $1 million Buxom lip glosses. I hope one day I can get PR packages with Buxom lip glosses because I am like obsessed. They're amazing, and that's all I gotta say. I am excited about this shade, and it smells like cotton candy, so I'm really excited about that. Seriously, guys, if you guys are looking for an amazing lip gloss, I'm telling you right now, these Buxom lip glosses are amazing. I am not 100% sure if they have ones that aren't lip plumping. They probably do, but I love the lip plumping ones. So that's a product that I've already tried before. Not the same shade. Did I tell you guys what shade? Pink Champagne. I love it, and it looks pretty good. So that is everything that I got from Ulta. I'm so excited to use these products. Stay tuned for my Foundation Friday video to see what I think of that Bare Minerals foundation. I'm excited to try it and see what I think. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.